So today on the Fixit Shed, I want to talk about starting a motorcycle with a dead battery. So we're also going to assume that your motorcycle does not have a kickstart. It has electric start only, such as this Honda Rebel. So if your motorcycle, maybe you left the key on and the battery went dead, or it had a weak battery, or the charging system is not functioning properly. So you come out to start your motorcycle, nothing happens when you press the button. But you can start the engine by turning it over while pushing it or rolling it downhill, something like that. Something where it has some momentum. So you want to make sure that the key is on. You want to make sure that the kill switch is in the run position. And you want to set the choke for whatever you would normally need to start the bike. So we want to put the kickstand up, and you want to put it in second gear. So starting in first gear, you might actually have enough compression that the rear wheel would lock up. So you don't want to use that. You want to use second gear or possibly third gear. So I've put my motorcycle in second gear. Everything is set and ready. And so what we're going to do is you're going to push the motorcycle and get it up to a slow jog. And you're going to hold the clutch in. So once you get it up to the slow jogging speed, it's probably a good idea to, if you can, hop on the motorcycle. If you can't, if you're still running alongside and you release the clutch and the engine kicks over, it could, because it's in gear, it could try to pull away from you. So if it's going to pull away from you, you could actually, with your hand, accidentally increase the throttle and make it pull away faster. So if you're on the bike, it can't pull away from you. And you just want to make sure that you're covering the clutch so that when the engine starts, you can pull the clutch back in. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a like. And if you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.